everyone, I'm Linda of Roti and Rice. Today I'm going to prepare roasted eggplants. My mom used to roast the eggplants on the stove, but today I'm going to grill it outside. This healthy and tasty dish is delicious with a bowl of steamed rice. Here I have 2 pounds of Chinese eggplants to be left whole, 2 spring onions thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. In here I have 3 cloves garlic minced and 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. First we're going to make the soy sauce dressing for the roasted eggplants. I'm going to place this bowl with the oil and minced garlic in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Once the garlic is ready, you want to mix in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. First we want to brush the grates with some oil. And then place the eggplants on the grill. Turn the eggplants every now and then so that it will roast it on all sides until it's nice and soft. After about 12 to 15 minutes, our eggplant is cooked and ready to be taken out of the grill. It is nicely brown and soft. Now we are back in the kitchen and it's time to peel the eggplant. You want to remove the skin because it's tough and it doesn't taste nice. Then cut it into sections and then split it open. And you can place it on a dish. Now it's time to drizzle some of the soy sauce dressing onto the eggplant. And sprinkle a little bit of sliced onions on it. And there you have it, delicious roasted eggplants. Serve it with a bowl of rice.